Good everyone, especially to you, Sarli or Kaios. This is my explanation about effects of the liquid's free surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability. The presence of a free liquid surface reduces a vessel stability because the liquid can move freely as the ship heels, effectively raising the ship's center of gravity and lowering its initial stability. This phenomenon is called the free surface effect. So, what is the free surface effect? When a tank is not completely full, the liquid inside has a free surface that tends to stay horizontal even as the ship rolls. On a hill, liquid shifts to the low side of the tank, moving its center of gravity sideways and creating an additional inclining moment instead of restoring one. So, how it affects stability? The liquid shift virtually raises the ship's vertical center of gravity, kg, which reduces the metacentric height, gm, and the righting lever, gz. With lower gm, the vessel becomes less stiff. It rolls more easily, may roll with larger angles, and can even become unstable if the effective gm becomes negative. This effect is especially dangerous for ships with small initial GM or large partially filled tanks, because even moderate rolling can amplify the shape of liquid. What factors makes the effect worse? Large tank surface area increases the free surface moment more than narrow or divided tanks. More partially filled tanks cumulatively increase the vertical rise in kg. Lower ship displacement means the same free surface moment causes a large stability loss relative to the vessel weight. How to reduce effect? Press tanks up tight. Keep tanks either completely full or completely empty, so the liquid cannot move. Use tank divisions, bulkhead, or baffles. Reduce the effective width of the free surface and strongly cut the FSE. Avoid cross-connecting large slack tanks with open sluice valves, as this can turn several tanks into one large free surface area.